I'm going to be showing you how to filter videos on Google Photos. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is open your Google Photos app. Just go to your app library and type in Google Photos. So as you can see, it's right there. Just go ahead and open it. Once you're here, all you need to do is just look at the bottom where you have options like Photos, Collections, and Search. Just go ahead and tap on the option Search, and now just type in videos, and now you can only see videos. And now all you need to do is look at the top left where you can see this option right here. So that's the filter button. Just tap here, and now you can use filters like favorites, and it'll filter even more. You can also use screenshots, selfies, notebook. It's completely up to you what you want, and in this way you can successfully filter videos in Google Photos. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.